With experience in the rehabilitation of hundreds of areas, including Italian sites of national interest, SIN, Greenthesis is one of the leading companies in Italy and internationally for remediation and reclamation projects. This experience ranges from the remediation of contaminated sites and polluted areas to the securing of old landfills, as well as groundwater remediation and the decommissioning and redevelopment of brownfield sites. In this area, Greenthesis stands out for its use of cutting-edge technologies to ensure state-of-the-art redevelopments in full respect of the environment. Greenthesis offers a comprehensive service by identifying the best technologies available today and addressing all phases of contaminated site management through monitoring of areas to be reclaimed, environmental remediation and restoration projects, safety interventions, differentiated disposal and/or recovery, in situ and ex situ treatments, restoration and/or recovery of impaired areas until final acceptance and certification. Greenthesis has its own fixed plants for the physical, chemical treatment and recovery and disposal of hazardous and non-hazardous special waste, and for the purification of polluted water. It has modular mobile plants which are approved for the treatment of both solid and liquid waste. These plants allow for the implementation of on-site remediation activities, thus significantly reducing the overall environmental impact and the need for off-site disposals, while allowing for the recovery of environmental matrices in compliance with end-of-waste regulations. Remediation projects are preceded by an environmental audit conducted by experienced technical staff that also operates through its own laboratories. The execution phase is constantly monitored and developed by a pool of expert technicians and operators who utilize their own equipment and facilities to ensure desired objectives are achieved for a wide range of public and private sector customers. Greenthesis operates in strict compliance with regulatory criteria and meets the quality and safety criteria of the most up-to-date ISO standards.